Masters. Namaste to all. Welcome to all of you for today's powerful full moon meditation. Before commencing the session, my sincere pranams to our beloved Guruji, Brahmarshi Patriji, our great pranams to our beloved Grandmaster, Matar Babaji. My dear Masters, my dear friends, my dear gods, now we are going to start 3 hours long full moon meditation. So here I think a lot of newcomers also, new joiners also there. So let's discuss a little bit about the importance of the full moon meditation. So afterwards, we will explain you the meditation procedure in all the 5 languages. The meditation procedure, how to practice the meditation. Of course, many of you know already. And if some of you don't know the meditation, you can understand the procedure and then you can go into the meditation. Before going to start the procedure, let's discuss about the importance of full moon day meditation. So in Mahavatar Foundation, every month, this full moon meditation will be happening. So every month, full moon day, we will be celebrating. 3 hours meditation in this. 2 hours is music meditation. 1 hour is silent meditation. Almost like 1 hour or 45 minutes. Why we need to do meditation on full moon day? Yes. We have more amount of energy available. What are the different occasions we get more energy, cosmic energy? There are few occasions. Let's understand them. One is, if you meditate in the nature, you will get 3 times more energy. If you meditate under the pyramid, you will get 3 times more energy. If you sit beside the river flow or a sea beach or near the water, you get 3 times more energy. If you meditate in the park or garden, in the forest, in the cave, you get 3 times more energy. If you meditate on the full moon day, you get 3 times more energy. If you sit under a pyramid in the full moon day, isn't it? If you go into meditation, you get 6 times more powerful energy. Everything is cosmic energy. Why the cosmic energy is needed for the physical body? Without cosmic energy, we can't survive. Let's think that we go on eat whatever we wanted. If you don't sleep, can you survive? Without sleeping, you can't survive. Why? Because in the sleep, we get cosmic energy. We are energized. Our pranic shakti gets increased only in the sleep. In the wakeful condition, our mind is completely working. That's a beta state. We don't gain any energy. We lose energy. We go on lose the energy. Eating, walking, talking, isn't it? Listening, telling something, running, for everything, even for digestion. It needs energy. Without energy, nothing works. In that case, how can you get the energy when you are in the wakeful condition? Aware, like when you are in the beta state or wakeful condition, you don't get energy, you lose the energy. Now, if you want to gain the energy, that is why every day, night, we go to sleep. Understand? Nature has given a wonderful tool, or nature has gifted us. What it has done? It has gifted us. That is the sleep. During the night hours, we go into the sleep. It is nothing but a unconscious meditation. Sleep is nothing but an unconscious meditation. Meditation is nothing but a conscious sleep. That's how we need to understand these two words. So today, we are going to do meditation on the full moon day because huge cosmic energy is available outside because of the moon comes closer to the earth. Earlier also moon is there, but on this particular day, yesterday, the day after tomorrow, these three consequent days, you have more amount of cosmic energy available. This cosmic energy you can receive only when you are in the mauna, when you are in the silent state. What is the silent state? The mind has to be empty. That is called the perfect silent state. Then what is meditation? Meditation happens when you observe the breath. How can you enter into the silent state? The perfect silent state, when you observe the breath, then the thoughts get slowed down. When you go on observe the breath, the thoughts become standstill. It becomes almost zero because there is a direct relation between the thought and breath. Thoughts are generated from the breath only. When you are in the angry condition, when you are in the turbulent mind, your breath, the rate of the breath, the rate of velocity of the breath will be too much. It's very fast. Understand? So that is why reduce the speed of the breath or slow down the breath, your thoughts get slowed down. Both are interlinked each other, directly proportional, directly connected each other. That's how the wonderful technique today we are going to practice. It is called Anapanasati. Now I'm coming to the technique, right? Yes, before that, some more information about full moon day. So, friends, remember, wherever you are, whenever there is a full moon day on that night, do not miss the meditation at all. There are a lot of benefits. Few benefits I'll tell you. If you do this meditation on the full moon day night, you get huge amount of cosmic energy. Your whole chakras gets activated. Once your chakras gets activated in your physical body, the chakras are also called endocrine glands. So these endocrine glands gets balanced or endocrine glands gets activated. All the endocrine glands are properly working. Yes, your physical health is super. Not only physical health, remember this point. The endocrine glands decides the mental behavior of a person. They also decides the mental health of a person. You know that? So remember very well, the meditation what we do on this full moon day night, it hastens, it speeds up the activation of all the endocrine glands, so-called chakras in the pranic body, etheric body. That is why we need to do meditation on this day. It speed up, like it activates all the chakras faster. That opportunity we should not lose. Yes, when the chakras gets activated, the free flow of pranic energy is happening. Our kundalini gets raised. Once the kundalini gets raised, the energy comes up, the kundalini energy, then comes to the Agna chakra, then go to the Sahasrara, then it meets, it combines, it joins, so-called with the cosmic energy. That is the point where we call it as the Shakti Vispotana. We call it as the energy explosion. That is the state. We call it as Samadhi Sthiti, or we call it as, in fact, we call it as the enlightenment state. That is something like, Turiya Sthiti. It's a exorbitant, so-called the joyfulness. We also can call it as a blissfulness. We enjoy that blissfulness only when the Kundalini energy start flowing upwards, then reach to the Sahasrara. The both will get joined. Jivatma gets, combined, united with the Sarvatma. Sarvatma, Jivatma gets joined at the Sahasrara chakra. This is called the enlightenment. This will happen. This will happen on this particular day. For many people may experience this, but if you start practicing this, it will happen, friends. So that is why do not miss this opportunity on the full moon day, especially. Not only that, when you start doing meditation, with the meditation, deeper meditation, we start receiving cosmic energy. Your parasympathetic nerve gets activated, which is nothing but a right brain gets activated. When the right brain gets activated, your right brain works as an antenna to the universe. Especially the pineal gland gets activated. We call it as a third eye gets activated, with which you will receive the messages. You can communicate to the higher self masters, higher soul, higher souls, especially Purnatma, higher self, you can say, your own higher self, your own soul guides. You can communicate with them in a easiest way, in fastest way, when you do meditation on this full moon day night. Likewise, there are many benefits. If I go on talk, the time won't be sufficient. Understand? So that's why I'll cut short here. So for the fulfillment of our materialistic and mentalistic, spiritualistic, right? For all the needs, for all the happiness and blissfulness, for the health and vigor, the vitality, everything will achieve if you start doing meditation regular basis, especially on this powerful energetic day. We should never miss the meditation. Remember this point.